In today's lesson, we're going to be making a hooded cowl. It's going to look like a unicorn or a pony. This is for a size toddler. I'm using a N 10mm hook. To make this project, I'm going to be pulling 2 strands of 4-ply yarn at the same time. If you're not a fan of this process, you could always use super bulky number 6 and pull 1 strand. So let's get our materials together and let's get started. Using 2 strands, and this is 4-ply yarn, I'm going to make a slip knot and chain 40. And I'd like for you to make your chains a little bit on the loose side. So loosely chain 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Now, we're going to slip stitch into the first chain, and I need for you to make sure that your chain is straight. We don't want any, if this chain is twisted, then you're going to have a twist at the bottom of your cowl. So make sure your chain is straight and go into the first chain and slip stitch. So put your hook into the first chain like that. And then slip it through both loops on the hook. 1 and 2. Okay, very good. Just double check to make sure that your chain is straight. Okay. Chain 2. 1, 2. I'm going to be doing 40 double crochets, 1 double crochet in each stitch. So wrap your yarn around the hook and going into the first stitch, which is right there. See it right there? Go into the first stitch, pull up a loop, wrap your yarn around the hook, pull through 2 loops, wrap your yarn around the hook and pull through the last 2 loops on the hook. That's double crochet. Double crochet in the next stitch right there. Wrap your yarn around the hook, go into the next stitch, pull up a loop, wrap and pull through 2 loops, and wrap and pull through the last 2 loops. Okay. Double crochet in the next stitch. Wrap your yarn around the hook, go into the next stitch, pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook, wrap your yarn, pull through the first 2 loops, and wrap and pull through the last 2 loops. So we've now completed 3 double crochets, and we want a total of 40. Let's keep going. 4, 5, 6, 7, 'Get the cat down here. Cat, be gone. Okay, sorry about the interruption. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. My last chain right there. So now I'm going to slip stitch to join, and here's my chain 2 right there. So I'm going to slip stitch in the top of the first double crochet, which is right there. So put your hook through the top of the loop of the stitch and pull through both loops on the hook. All right, row 2, 1, 2. So in this row we're going to give we're going to get a little bit fancier and give the project a little bit of texture by doing a front post double crochet. If you don't want to do the front post double crochet, you don't have to. You could just do 40 double crochets. It's your choice. But I'm going to do a front post double crochet, wrap the yarn around the hook at the next post, which is right there, right there. Go around the right side, but back and out through the front of the post. Pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook, wrap, pull through 2 loops, and wrap through the last, pull through the last 2 loops. Okay, so that's making the post come out a little bit to the front. In the next stitch, right here, half double crochet. Front post double crochet in the next stitch. So I'm going to skip this one, which is what I just did my half double crochet, and I'm going to this post right here. Wrap your yarn around the hook, go through the right side, around the back of the post, out through the left side, pull up a loop, 3 loops in the hook, wrap your yarn, pull through 2 loops, wrap your yarn, pull through the last 2 loops. Okay, so I'm going to be doing front post double crochet every other stitch. The next stitch is half double crochet, which is right there. Front post double crochet in this stitch. In this stitch right here. Wrap your yarn around the hook, go through the front and the back of the post, pull up a loop, wrap, pull through 2 loops, wrap, pull through 2 loops. Okay, so you see how the front post double crochet is making the posts pop out a little bit to the front there. Next stitch, right here, double crochet, half double crochet, half double crochet. Front post double crochet in the next stitch. Half double crochet in the next stitch. Front post double crochet in the next stitch, which would be right there. Half double crochet in the next stitch. Front post double crochet, oh wait, what did I do? In the next stitch, which is right here, skip this one. half double crochet in the next stitch. Okay, we'll just do that all the way around. Front post double crochet right there. Half double crochet. Front post double crochet right here. Half double crochet right there. Front post double crochet. Half double crochet. Front post double crochet. Half double crochet. Front post double crochet. Half post double crochet. Front post double crochet. Half post double crochet. Front post double crochet. Half post double crochet. Front post double crochet. Half double crochet. Front post double crochet. And then half double crochet. Front post double crochet into the next stitch right there. Half double crochet in the next stitch, which is right here. Front post double crochet in the next stitch right there. And half double crochet in the next stitch right here. Front post double crochet in the next stitch right there. Half double crochet in the next stitch. Front post double crochet in the next stitch. Half double crochet in the next stitch. Front post double crochet in the next stitch right there. Half double crochet in the next stitch. Okay, so I should have 20 front post double crochets and 20 half double crochets. So let me count back, make sure I have 20. I'm going to count the front posts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so you give yours a count back and make sure you have 20 front post double crochets and you ended with a half double crochet. and then going into the top, which is right here, of your first front post double crochet, slip stitch, like that. Chain 2. So I'm going to repeat the round I just did. Wrap your yarn around the hook. Here's my front post, it's popped out. Go around the back of it like that. Wrap your yarn around the hook, 3 loops on the hook, pull through the first 2 loops, and then pull through the second 2 loops. Going into the next stitch, half double crochet. Front post double crochet. So I'm going to go the front to the back, the top there, pull up a loop, and finish my double crochet. At the next stitch, and I can see it, it's right here, do the half double crochet. Front post double crochet. Now finish the double crochet. Half post double crochet. Right here. Front post double crochet. Half post double crochet. Front post double crochet. Half post double crochet. I mean half double crochet, excuse me, there's no posting. Front post double crochet. Oopsie, that didn't come out right. Half double crochet. Front post double crochet.